Imagine waking up one morning to find an entire village gone. No people. No animals. No sound. Just houses, perfectly in place, food still warm on the stove, doors wide open, as if the residents had vanished in the middle of living their lives. This isn't a horror movie plot. It's real. Deep in the heart of India's Thar Desert lies a deserted village called Kuldara, a place that, according to legend, vanished overnight over 200 years ago. But the question remains, what really happened to the people of Kuldara? The story begins around the year 1800, in Rajasthan, India, a land of golden sand, burning heat, and ancient villages built from stone. Kuldara was one of 84 small villages inhabited by the Palawal Brahmins, a prosperous and highly educated community known for their intelligence, architecture, and trade. They lived peacefully for centuries, farming the land, trading salt, and worshipping the sun. But their peace was about to be shattered, not by nature, but by greed. The ruler of the region was Salim Singh, a powerful and cruel minister of Jaisalmer. He was feared by everyone, not only for his taxes, but for his temper. One day, Salim Singh saw the daughter of the village chief, a young woman known for her grace and beauty. He demanded that she be handed over to him. The villagers were terrified. Denying a ruler's demand meant death, but agreeing would mean dishonor. So, under the cover of night, the entire village made an unthinkable decision. They abandoned Kuldara, every man, woman, and child, vanishing into the desert darkness. Before leaving, the elders are said to have placed a curse on the land: no one shall ever live here again. Any who try, will perish. And from that day forward, Kuldara was dead. Centuries passed. Then, British officers exploring Rajasthan stumbled upon the ruins of Kuldara in the 1800s. They found something strange: the village looked freshly abandoned. Pots still sat on stoves, half filled with food. Doors were left open. Tools were lying beside unfinished work. It was as if everyone had left only hours before, and never returned. No skeletons. No signs of struggle. No tracks leading away. Just silence. Over time, countless theories tried to explain the mystery of Kuldara. Some historians believe it wasn't a curse, but economics. The land had grown dry. Wells were empty. Taxes were crushing. Maybe the villagers simply moved away to survive. But then comes the strange part: why did 84 villages vanish at once? And why did no one ever settle there again, despite the location being fertile and near trade routes? Locals believe the curse was real. Tourists who try to stay overnight report hearing whispers in the wind, footsteps on the sand, and shadows moving between broken walls. In 2013, paranormal researchers from Delhi spent a night there. They claimed to have captured unexplained temperature drops, whispers, and movement on infrared cameras. Whether it was the wind, or something else, no one knows. Today, Kuldara is a tourist site, an empty skeleton of its past. Locals refuse to go near it after sunset. The government tried to rebuild it for tourism, but the project was abandoned after workers reported strange accidents and equipment failures. Some even said they saw figures watching from the ruins, silent, unmoving. So, what really happened that night? Did the people of Kuldara vanish into the desert to escape tyranny? Or was there something darker, something the world was never meant to see? The ruins still stand, untouched by time, waiting under the desert sun. And if you ever visit Kuldara after dark, you might hear the sound of footsteps in the sand, echoing from a time when the village still lived. Maybe the people never left. Maybe they're still there. Some mysteries fade with time. Others only grow stronger.